All right, guys, here we go. Tomorrow, the Yucaipa parade is going to play, and we're going to be in that. There should be several IMRG chapters that will be represented. Inland Empire will be there. Rivcor-Imrg will be there. It's very possible that Southern California or Orange County chapter will be there. I put out a word to our sister store in San Marcos, so North County chapter should be there as well. There's multiple chapters that were invited to come back out. I've done it once before, and so this is how I've got my current bike set up with some flashing lights and some solid. And that's what it's going to be looking like, hopefully tomorrow. Be a long wait, like it always is. But this is what the bike's going to be looking like tomorrow. We'll walk to the back here. There we go. So just a little short, like I said, we're going to be multiple chapters will be out there. It'll be fun. It's kind of neat. They do a pretty good job in Yucaipa for such a small little town. They have a really great Christmas parade. Not doing a one on horseback this year. Haven't done one of those in a couple of years. But here we go. All right. Come on out. It'll be a great time out there tomorrow.